These glasses are kind of crooked on my face because I sat on them. Hi, good morning. So, I've been gone for a month. I know. I was on my hot girl shit. No, I mean, I was on my hot girl shit of constantly posting. Not on my hot girl shit. I can update you on my life a little bit, I guess. Firstly, let's talk about what I'm doing right now. Last night, I came to the great decision. It is so cold, but my fan is on, but I don't really want to turn it off. So last night I came to the okay, well, not doing that. I came to the decision of wanting to do vlogmas because I thought I would do it and then I didn't, and it's December 14th now. So I'm gonna do 12. My nose. I've been sick, I don't know. I thought I got over it, whatever. So I decided I'm doing 12 days of vlogmas because there's 12 days of Christmas left. I'm honestly excited. Last night I just like wrote out a bunch of things. Thank you, Nancy, for also helping me. So I'm gonna post every single day until Christmas. I'm pretty sure I'm going to be ahead by a day. So like every video will basically be from the day before, except for this one I'm posting right now. This one is from the same day. I'm gonna film this in the morning and then I'm gonna edit it and then I'm gonna try and get it up as fast as possible. Pray for me, but after today's video, everything should be from the day before, because tonight I'm decorating my Christmas tree, but I'm gonna put that in a separate video, so it'll be tomorrow's video. But very much excited about that. I'll give you a little mini life update on my life, obviously. So the reason I haven't really been posting is because life is just whack. So a couple weeks ago I passed out, guys. Yeah, that was so fun. Not like I fainted, almost died, but it's okay, I'm still alive. But I'm barely breathing. So I passed out a couple weeks ago. Fun times for me. Wasn't feeling good that day, and then it was like later that night, and I think because I didn't eat enough that day, that's why I passed out. But that's only because I was sleeping for most of the day because I wasn't feeling good. I just know these glasses are looking wonky on my face, but I really don't care. I don't care. Oh my god, I'm so tired. Later that night, we were gonna go sit down for dinner, and I was like, okay, start without me because I'm not feeling 100%. And I was like, ooh, wait, Mom, can you come here? I'm not feeling good. I'm not feeling good. Didn't answer me. Didn't answer my text, which in her defense, she probably didn't have her phone, but in my defense, bitch, what if I die? Moving on. So then I went downstairs after feeling a little bit better, because usually when I know when I'm gonna pass out because I passed out before. So I felt those like symptoms and I was like, ooh, let me lie down, because I know if I lie down then the blood will rush back to my head and I'll be okay. So then that happened and I was like, okay, I'm feeling good, let me go eat some steak for dinner, because it was a steak night dinner and I don't miss those. That's how you know I'm sick, when I don't eat steak. Thank you. Go downstairs, grab some food, sit down, try and cut into my steak, eat a piece, a little baby piece, and I said, oh, I'm gonna pass out. I said, I feel like I'm gonna pass out. My mom was like, are you serious? I was like, no, I'm just saying it for and gigs, babe. I just wanted to make you giggle. Of course I'm serious. So she's like, do you want me to take you to the couch? And I was originally gonna say, no, I can walk there, but thank God I didn't, because you know why? I passed out on the way to the couch. My mom said I went stiff and like white, like ashy, and then, or like grayish, whatever, and then my lips went pure white. My dad said I stopped breathing. Woke up, parents are hovering over me like I was a deceased body, and screaming my name. I said, what is with the dramatics right now, guys? I didn't say that. I was very much like, wait, what's going on? They were like, you passed out. And I said, oh, that's correct, I did do that. I did. My mom was on the phone with 911. I said, girl, hang up. Girl, hang up the phone, because under these sweatpants I do not have underwear on right now, and if the ambulance comes, I'm gonna need to put some on. Yeah. Anyways, then I was fine. Also, before the blood work talk, 911 put my mom on hold. Actually, okay, it was like an automated message saying like, you called 911, please wait while we like patch you to an operator, whatever the fuck. What if there was a murderer in the house and I needed 911 stat? You put me on hold? Crazy. But they called back and they said, hi, you called 911. And my mom said, yes, I did, but we're fine now. My daughter passed out and she's good. They're like, do you need us to send you an ambulance? She said, no. I said, Mom, do not, because if any attractive friggin' paramedic comes to my damn house and I look like this, just kill me on the spot. That's not happening. So I'm fine. I did my blood work. I just had low red blood cells. It is what it is, you know? Then Arya turned 1. My niece turned 1, guys. So we had a nice little birthday for her. It was super fun, festive little celebration for my little girl. I can't believe she's 1. Why is time going by so fast? There's so much going on in the last couple of weeks, so I haven't been posting, but I'm blessing you guys with a video every single day. You're welcome. You're welcome. So today, on today's agenda, I just have to get my life back on track. Like, I haven't been getting my life together the last week or so. Like, I feel like I've just been, I don't even know how to describe it. I feel like an NPC. Like, I don't feel real. So I need to do a bunch of things today, aka you always see me clean, but this is what's happening. I'm so sorry. I have to clean, to do some laundry, fold some clothes, because those have been in the bin for way too long. I hate folding clothes. I hate, like, I'm okay to do laundry, I just don't like folding, so I push it off to the last minute. So I have to do that. I feel like I can only work and be in a good environment when my room's clean, and when my room's not clean, I don't want to do anything, which is so crazy. I just don't understand. Like, I clean my room and then it just gets so messy so fast. I'm like, why can't I just keep it clean? What is wrong with me? Get up, do my skincare routine. I should probably make breakfast. I need to start getting into eating 3 meals a day. So I think I'm gonna make like scrambled eggs and some toast. Maybe I'll make an omelet. Oh, now I'm doing a lot. That's too much for me. I'm gonna have a coffee. I'm gonna go make a coffee. That's too much. But I do need to start eating 3 meals a day. But anyways, yes, let's get the day started. Hands in team. 1, 2, 3, break. Hi. So I'm gonna start cleaning right now. I don't want to. Anyways, so we gotta clean this bad boy, fold some laundry. It's gonna be, why can't I just be clean? Why can't I just keep things clean at all times? I don't understand what's wrong with me. If I was able to keep things clean at all times, life would be so much easier. But no, I love to just challenge myself. I love that. Put you on my big tripod so you can see me and the shit I have to deal with. I have a bag to put garbage in. I just don't understand how it gets to this point of me having to clean it. I really don't. I blink and then things are just messy and I'm like, who did this? Because it wasn't me. I don't know if anyone else struggles like that, but that's just the life I live. I also now do my makeup in here, so that also plays the fact that like I just need to put my makeup away before while I'm doing it. I shouldn't just leave it out. Water bottles, I shouldn't even be drinking. I have my own refillable water bottle. Why am I using that? I don't know what's happening. When I talk too long, my voice starts to do this thing and I get very overwhelmed very, very easily and it stresses me out. If anyone has any tips, let me know. Should I put like music on, have a little dance party with it? Because right now I'm just talking and I feel like I want to shake my ass a bit, you know? There's my refillable water bottle. Ask me why I had plastic bottles when I could have just refilled that. No, I shouldn't have put music on. This is going to take 10 times longer. Pause the music for a second because it is distracting me. But anyways, I can't believe Christmas is so soon. 12 days, guys. 12 days till Christmas. I have yet to buy my sister anything for Christmas yet, which is just so fun. She has not told me what she wants, and how am I supposed to know what you want if you don't tell me what you want? You know what I'm saying? I think Christmas is my favorite holiday. Like my favorite time of the year. The weather, but I love Christmas. You know what I mean? Like I love spending time with fam. Everything about it, it's just everyone is just good vibes, happy times. You know what I mean? Plus the Christmas movies are unmatched. Favorite Christmas movie? The Grinch. Yep, I said it. Sometimes I feel like when I'm filming, I'm like, this video is gonna be so boring. But I also just think like I'm a boring person. Like I always tell myself this and I'm always like, or I always tell people this when people are like stressed out about something and I'm like, listen, at the end of the day, like someone's gonna judge you no matter what you do. You know what I mean? Like there's always going to be someone that has something to say whether you like it or not, but at the end of the day you have to do what you love, because you might as well be doing what you love and be judged for it than doing something you don't love and still be judged for it. Do you know what I mean? But why can't I follow my own advice? Like why can't I be like, yeah, I don't give a fuck? Which like I don't, but at the same time I do. Like it's so annoying. How are you guys doing? How are you guys doing? I feel like I haven't spoken to you guys in so long. Going off topic, I bought a bunch of disposables the other day because I was like, I'm going to go through them easy because I was going out a lot last week or 2 weeks ago. I was going out a lot. My parents were very much concerned for my safety. And I said, guys, it was actually really funny. Like I was going out a lot and then take a shot every time I say a lot. And then my mom would be like, girl, are you coming home tonight? And I'd be like, yeah, babe. But later. And then she'd be like, girl, I'm worried about you. What are you doing out right now? I said, I am living, I'm vibing. And then my dad would be like, girl, this is your time to go out and have fun. And I said, who are you? And what did you do with my father? But yeah, it was a great time. But I need to just, I feel like I'm still recovering. Why are we creaky in the house? That's annoying. I don't like that. I have my own duster for my room because I have 3 vents in here and my room gets so dusty so quickly. Like I have to dust almost every day. And it's so annoying because as someone who struggles with allergies, why did I move into this room? This room used to be my sister's room and then she moved out because she got married, you know, she's living that life. Like she's being an adult, like, oh, you can't see me. Like she's being an adult and living the life that, you know, you live when you grow up, which it's so crazy to me because I feel like I'm 16. Okay, no, I definitely still feel like I'm like 18, but I'm very much not 18 and I need to get out of that mentality. But I'm blaming the pandemic for me still thinking I'm like 20 because I went into this pandemic when I was 21. I'm 24. Let's not talk about it. Okay, now it's really just the laundry. Like literally this was just the corner that always gets messy for me. It stresses me out. But now it's just the laundry. I have 2 little bins to do and I don't want to do that. I'm gonna go do my laundry and I'm just gonna do like as a montage of me speed rounding. That sounds crazy. Of me just like folding clothes. Unless I have something to say, then I'll be like, hi. I was going to listen to music while doing this, but I think I'd be more efficient if I listened to like a true crime episode of something. I don't know, music makes me want to dance and not do anything, whereas like if I'm watching something, I'm more like focused on what I'm doing, if that makes sense. I don't know why, but I've been rolling my sweaters lately for space because I have too many freaking clothes. Can somebody buy my clothes off of me, please? I have too many clothes and people love to roast me on it. But sometimes I just can't get rid of things. And then I'm like, I think about my children in the future and like my daughter. And like, what if she wants my clothes when, like, I wish my mom kept her clothes when she was like my age because she had such cute shit and like stuff comes back. What if my daughter wants to wear this one day? What if she wants to? Be like, Mom, oh my God, this is so cute. I would love to wear it. Of course, babes. It's in my closet. Go try it on. Let me know how you feel. So that's why I'm like, I can't get rid of it. I'm thinking about the future. Have you guys seen that TikTok that's been going around of the person that's adding things they didn't know about during pregnancy? What do you mean your nipple falls off? Why did a girl's nipple fall off? What are we talking about? What are we talking about? What are we talking about? That really did it for me to like second guess if I genuinely want children. But honestly, like I highly doubt my nipple would fall off, but like, pardon? I think it'd be so fun to have little babies. The other thing that's so scary though is if I have a daughter and she's anything like me, oh my God. My mother's gonna be so happy because like karma, but oh my God. I'm done talking. Back to the montage. Making a coffee. What are we doing here, Bella? Why are you beating the drums? Come here. Hi. Come. How are you? How's your day going? My little baby. So, making a little coffee. And then honestly, I think what I'm gonna do is like actually end this video and just like edit it so I can get it out today. Oh, as I was doing that, I was like, I shouldn't open the freaking lid like this because it could slice me, and it literally sliced me. That's blood. Oh my God. I literally can't do anything right, apparently. Anyways, this was fun. Obviously, this video wasn't like anything crazy. Like it was just like, you know. But I'm excited to see where this vlogmas takes me. I've never done vlogmas before, so this is like a first for this. We love firsts. We do. We do. So I'm very excited. I have it all planned out, what I'm gonna do. Hopefully everything goes well. You really gotta eat while I'm filming. I have this fear that like there's always gonna be a spider in a straw for some reason, so I have to always look through the straw. It's just always the thing that I have. I just spilled, man. What did you make?
Omelet.
You didn't make one?
I thought about it, but I said no.
You thought about it and then said no.
Yeah. Could make one.
I might make one.
Hmm?
I'll make one.
Mm-hmm.
But it would have been so nice if you made me one.
Alright, next time.
I'm expecting that. I have it on video proof.
Next time. Oh, and I put some cheese in it.
Oh yeah, you have to.
Yeah, put a little some cheese. Ooh, it'd be nice, you see?
Yesterday was my dad's birthday.
Yeah, all 59 years of me.
All 59, even though he hasn't aged a day in his life. Like since I've been born, he's looked the exact same. Black don't crack. So I'm gonna end this video here. My brother is nice. Bro, this dog, she'll like not eat until like 4 p.m. But now that I'm down here wanting to just talk, she wants to munch it up. And she's the slowest eater. My sister's dog, Penny, eats her food in like 2 seconds. This girl, 5 minutes, maybe more. I'm gonna end this video here. I know it wasn't like anything crazy, but the start of Vlogmas, very excited, 12 days. I'll be posting every single day for 12 days and I'm very excited. And I hope you guys are too because this is gonna be fun. We're basically gonna be spending all of our time together. All of it, I'm so excited. Anyways, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.